back, baby. Big night for the new Dynasty, baby. Big night. Stay tuned. Bye.
Hallow's Eve, Kayden Greene.
Let's go!
I am looking forward to this one. I have been a fan following the new Dynasty. Kai Price in the match, assisted by Champ Fox out here joining him ringside. But Kayden Greene going solo today, representing Hallow's Eve. Let's get this match underway. Senior referee Olivia, let's get this thing rolling.
If you guys I'm telling her when to ring the bell. This is insane. Okay, Katie wants to shoot. Shoot it.
Hey, there it is! Trick or treat!
Now it's Price and choose the treat.
I got some candy for you, buddy.
Nobody told you to wear coconuts to a wrestling show. The match is underway. Action's in the corner. Kai Price in control. We've seen a lot out of Kai Price, Camp Fox, and the Dynasty over the last month here at UCW. We're going to see a lot more tonight. It's a storied rivalry that's coming to head, but we're just getting the action started. We're warming up here, but you can't warm up much without fingers. And Kayden has just dismembered the fingers of Kai Price.
He thinks it's Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving, it's Halloween. He really puts his finger wishbone.
Wishbone fingers are...
No, not again. Not again. Come on. You guys want to hurt him. Sheer torture, man. Come on.
It's absolutely impossible to be able to fight if you can't feel your hands, and Kayden Greene has reduced Kai Price to using his feet. Both hands have been split with a wishbone. Kayden Greene in control here. You can see Kai Price has it from earlier when they did it a month and a half ago. His hand is still reaching from the last time he did it. Now both hands are going to be messed up.
What is this? I'm gonna throw up. That's so gross! Oh God, I might throw up. Go throw up!
A little bit of sadistic nature that comes with Hallow's Eve. Kayden Greene's bringing it already early in this matchup. Kai Price kick to the gut. Sends Kayden Greene to the mat. Price regains control. Still got use of the forearm. Maybe not the finger. Can't find the outside. Camp will be in action later tonight. As he takes on Jake Sterling for the Intergalactic Championship later on in the show. Out here supporting Kai Price, his tag team stablemate from the new Dynasty.
Whoa! Up and over, picks up in a fireman's carry. What's he got him up there for?
Around he goes, dancing the whole way he can. trying to get their bearing. It was a few turns too many. Who's going to get control here in this matchup? Greene's on the outside, but you got to be careful because Cam Fox is right there. Big shot to the face, stuns Kai Price. Can Greene take advantage, but now he's distracted by Cam Fox. Greene is down. Torture, there's a disadvantage here. It's almost, it's not 2-1-1, but it's 1.5 to 1 fingers.
Ref, why don't you check his fingers that you heard, huh? Oh, you so nice now.
Here, what's the opposite?
Oh, such a fair ref.
Who is not allow the riff-raff to happen. He's fighting a man that has proven himself here in UCW. Huge elbow drop right there. Second one. Maybe we'll bring a third one for a whole trifecta style. Boom, there it is. Right in the center. Crushing the chest. He's a pin. 2 and 3/40 seconds. He was so close.
We have had our debut of the torture stopwatch here at the
There it is. 2 and 7/60 seconds.
Another quick roll-up of the 2 count. This match will continue. Not an easy victory here for Kai Price. Kayden Greene is a phenomenal veteran in the game. Right now, he's trying to figure out which way to throw a punch because he's stunned.
Kate's just slinging and winging, not knowing where they're going to end up and go.
Price in control. Fox on the outside, observing. Big kick to the chest. Lining up. It is a Saturday. College football didn't happen today, and the kicker's lining up. Price for 3.
Here it is.
Roll up.
1, 2.
Choke him in the ropes, guys.
Another 2 count here at this point. Kai Price has got to be wondering what's it going to take to get the victory in this matchup. That is 2 back-to-back close kickouts.
That was 2 and 7/4. It was that close.
You big stupid dumb face.
It is so amazing.
Incredible energy here at Universal Fury 6. This Bradenton County crowd is so excited for the action and the energy that our talent are bringing to the table tonight.
You know what we were talking about, Sean? The friends, the acquaintance, hanging out to support, a little bit more than what you should have.
But, I don't even think Kai Price saw it, so we can't exactly say that it was. He's fighting an uphill battle. He's going to have to continue fighting if he wants to get the win here. And fighting is what he's doing as he begins to fight back. The veteran powering up and getting sent right back down to the mat for the win.
1, 2.
Another 2 count kick out. Price is obviously frustrated.
What did you see on that, Sean? It was 2 and 1.
Let's see,
2 and 17/41.
Okay, all right. I'll let you have that. I'm not stopwatch.
Oh, yes, sir.
But Greene is asking. He's asking for the punishment, saying, "Give me more." Look at the incredible. These are massive shots, and he's sitting up and asking for more after every single one. That is incredible to see.
The flow is starting to go right in through Kayden Greene. Oh, he just beat the top turbo right in the chest.
What happened? Okay, what happened?
He's not wearing coconuts. I'm glad he's not wearing coconuts. I'm not going to have my name next to you all night. But Greene is in the corner. He's got to figure out a way to fight back. But Torture, let us know. Let the people know. What does it feel like to hit that turnbuckle at full speed?
It does not feel good.
Really?
Ouchtown population, you bro.
Choke the life out of him.
Hey, Ken.
Guys,
This matchup is happening down in the middle of the ring. Both men down in Dynasty County along. Quiet. Supporting Kayden Greene.
squeezing the life. Squeeze the life out of him.
I hear a trigger treat. They're chanting, they're getting it going. Kayden Greene starting to get on his feet. Fight back for the ball. Rear cheek broken it up. Get some separation. Here he is right now, pointing to the roof. And he forgot which way he was going.
Modified stun there from Kayden Greene, and he's on a roll right here. Torture, can we see what we think we're going to see? Greene, no, he didn't even stick to the head. Price is down, can Greene take advantage?
I'm not sure, he's fighting up, he's starting to build. Get the throw behind him. Trey, more, Trey. Trey, more, Trey. There it is, ducks under. Out the way, shoot, close line. Follows him into the side, cuts him off with a big forearm, reverses into center, off the rope. Oh, that's a size 14 right into the chops. Go for the pin. 1, 2.
This match continues. This is an incredible showcase of talent from both these athletes that have put each other to the test, just wanting to get the victory. It's incredible. Greene got him behind. Is much coming? There it is! Oh! Price is down for the win!
2 count. 2 and 14/16. It was that close.
This is just an incredible matchup to see. Both of these competitors bringing their absolute best to the table here at Universal Fury 6.
Kayden Greene digging down deep, waking his beard up, getting ready to take it too.
Big elbow. Greene is stunned. Oh! Is that gonna be enough?
Rolls him over. He's got the leg pin. 2.
Future of the division, future of wrestling, new dynasty, 1/2.
Your winner by pinfall, Hallow, Kayden Greene.
Good, baby. Mommy, I need 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, please. Thank you. You shouldn't have been here with me.